Today's Southern Gardening is in Tupelo, Mississippi at the home of Mabel Murphree, admiring some beautiful plants with the color purple. Plants with purple color have some of the most beautiful and unique flowers in the world. Chives are usually known as an herb, but they can also be grown as a pollinator plant. Chive flowers consist of small, purple, star-shaped blooms that grow in dense spherical clusters. Each cluster is composed of numerous individual flowers held together by slender stems. The flowers are typically arranged in a globe-shaped formation atop a single tall stalk, rising above the foliage of the chive plant. A classic annual reseeding pollinator plant with purple blooms is bachelor's button, often called cornflower. It reseeds with blooms that may be single or double. Camassia is another plant with striking purple blooms that will add beauty to the landscape. Their blooms consist of clusters of star-shaped flowers arranged along slender stems. The blooms are often arranged in a spike-like inflorescence with multiple flower clusters rising above the foliage of the plant. If you are looking for a shade-loving ground cover, Ajuga is a great choice. Ajuga, commonly known as bugleweed, has spikes of purple, small, tubular-shaped flowers. The leaves are often glossy and can range in color from green to bronze, purple, or variegated depending on the species and cultivar. As you can see, plants with the color purple can add beauty and charm to your landscape. I'm Eddie Smith, and I will see you next time on Southern Gardening.